Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding PhD admission in NIT Durgapur. They have given notification for event semester 2021-22 for PhD admission in different branches. The branches are biotechnology, in that one seats backend, that is for SC, PWD. In chemical, total 3 seats, one for OBC non-creamy layer and one vacancy for EWS, and one for ST, total 3 vacancy. Computer science, one vacancy for EWS, one vacancy for SC and one vacancy for ST. So total 3 seats. In chemistry also, one vacancy for OBC non-creamy layer and one for ST, total 2 vacancy there. Electronics and communication, one for open category, one for EWS, so total 2 posts vacant. Earth and environmental science, one vacancy for OBC non-creamy layer, so total 1 vacancy. In mechanical also 1 vacancy, that is for open PWD, means physically disabled, I think that is. Management studies, total 3 seats. So total vacancy, that is for full-time research scholar with institute fellowship, so total vacancy is 16. This is first category, full-time research scholar with institute fellowship, open for various department, and it is for maximum 5 year. In this maximum 5 year you will get fellowship. Category B, regular research scholar with financial support from government programs sponsored by DST, CSIR, UGC, etc. So anyone seeking admission to PhD program having their fellowship from various government organizations such as CSIR, UGC, DBT, etc. This is the first category. And second, candidate seeking admission to PhD program having their fellowship under DST Inspire scheme must be supported by NOC from supervisor. Third category, in which you can apply, regular research scholar selected in externally funded sponsored project in the institute, must be supported by NOC from principal investigator, indicating the duration for which the fellowship is available. Means if you are already working in any project going on in NIT Durgapur, so you can enroll to PhD program also through that. And next category, self-sponsored PhD program for all departments or center, means everything you have to expense by yourself. Availability of seats under various category other than A in different department and center. This is the matrix they have given. In biotech they have seats, means approximately every department they have seat vacant. Minimum eligibility criteria for admission to PhD program of NIT Durgapur. So qualifying degree must be ME, MTech, MArch, MPharma, MS, MBA, PGDM, PGDBM or PGDM. General OBC, for general OBC the CGPA required is 6.5 or in percentage 60%. For SC/ST it is 6 CGPA or 55% marks, and it is means common if you are your qualifying degree having these all, either MS, MCom, MBBS, BDS, MA, MCA, B, BTech, B Arc, B Pharma equivalent, or CA, ICWAI, CS with graduation degree with these percentage, like for if you have ME, MTech or MSc, MCom, MBBS, BDS, then you must have 6.5 CGPA or 60%, and for SC/ST it is relaxed by 5%. Same percentage criteria or CGPA criteria for MA, but for MCA it is 7.5 CGPA and 70% marks, and relaxed by 5% for SC/ST. If you have BE, BTech or B Arc or B Pharma equivalent, then also you must have your CGPA 7.5 or 70% marks, and it is relaxed by 5% for SC/ST. If you have CA, ICWAI or CS with graduation degree, then the qualifying the percentage criteria for general OBC non-creamy layer or EWS, it is 6 CGPA or 55% marks. Here academic and other qualification apart from this master degree. For category A, you must have BE, BTech with for category A, academic and other qualification. For category A, you must have BE BTech with valid gate, or ME MTech with or without gate qualification. Other post graduate or graduate degree as listed with any other any relevant NET qualification. Means for category U, if you have this degree, then you can apply. Either if you have BE BTech with valid gate or ME MTech with or without gate, then you can apply for category A. And this is the percentage criteria which is in left side, and in right side it is given some other things also. List of NETs. If your NET score is of this government sponsored examination, CSIR, ETC, GATE, GPAT, DPT, JRF, JST, ICMR, ICAR, NBHM, Bioinformatics, National Certification Examination, etc. However, this NET qualification will have to relevant to the qualifying degree of the candidate concerned. So, if you have your NET with this examination conducting agency, then you will get fellowship. And for category B and C, as per terms and condition of funding or sponsoring agency, category K same as category A, but GATE or NET qualification is not mandatory. Category K means self-sponsored. And all the degree must be from an institute or university recognized by UGC or AICT. This is the relevant academic qualification details of various department or centers. Means it is for every department. If you have your degree is BE BTech or ME MTech is from these departments, then you can apply. And that is general. This qualification which is shown here, that is general, but it is for especially specific for department. If you have civil, if you are applying a PhD in civil engineering, then you must have BE BTech in civil, and or equivalent in civil engineering, construction engineering, earthquake engineering, structural engineering, or aerospace, then you can apply. And your ME MTech also in respective discipline, then you can apply. Chemical also, if you have BE BTech in chemical or mechanical, metallurgical and material, or civil, biotech or polymer, then you can apply. First it is for category A. Categories and second, BE BTech in chemical technology, mechanical engineering, or metallurgical engineering and material, or civil, biotech, polymer with ME MTech in relevant discipline, then you can apply. And this is third 5-year integrated or dual MTech in chemical engineering, then also you can apply for this PhD program. So it is specific for every department. Means your BE BTech must be in respective discipline, then you can apply. So you must check information browser carefully if you are applying in different departments. And they also have been given different research areas in which you can apply. Financial support, it is as per government agency. Application fee, you have to pay 1500 for general, OBC and EWS category, and 1000 for SC/ST or PWD, which is non-refundable, and have to pay through NEFT or IMPS only. Account details they have given. This is the tentative date. Last date is 28th of January. Date of publication of applicants list A1 February 1 February 2022. Verification of submitted document by respective department 1 and 2 to 4. Means 1 February to 4 February. Your document will be verified. Date of publication of shortlisted candidate on the institute website as prepared by respective department. It is will be published on 7th of February. Then date of online offline admission test and viva both will be conducted from 10th to 12th February. Publication of result on institute website 16th February, and you have to enroll for PhD from 18 to 21 after payment of fees. publication of wait list. If any seats vacant, then they will publish the results on 23rd February, and they have to take admission from 24 to 25, and physical reporting it will be notified later. So shortlisting will be done. It is decided by departments. Means if they will take everything online. Selection of PhD candidate under A, B, C, and K. Shortlisting of publication will be made by respective department or center based on the documents submitted, and only the shortlisted candidate will be intimated for online admission test and viva voce online on the notified date. All shortlisted candidates shall be appear for admission test online or offline. There may be further screening after the conduction of admission test and before viva voce depending on the number of candidates. Outline of syllabus of admission test. You have to check the web page of respective department or center in the institute website. This is hostel accommodation. Each and every regular scholar will be required to reside in hostel as per institute rules. You have to stay in hostel if you are regular PhD scholar. Fee it is posted on institute website. These all are the documents you must have during verification. These are all things. So that's all about this information. You share it with your friends and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.